Begin by thinly slicing one medium-sized zucchini. We are also slicing one large lemon or 2 small lemons. Slice one small shallot. Slice in half about 20 grape tomatoes. We are also slicing a combination of green olives and Kalamata olives. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Then cut a large piece of parchment paper and fold it in half. For this recipe, we are using 4 pieces of cod fillet. To assemble the packets, add a few slices of sliced zucchini in the center of one half. Then place a piece of cod fillet on top of the zucchini slices. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper, both to taste. Place some of the olives on top of the fish and around the fish, followed by the grape tomatoes. Drizzle with a splash of extra virgin olive oil. Add a couple of slices of lemon, a few slices of shallots. If you don't have shallots, you may use red onion. And to finish it off, a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme. Now, fold the top part of the parchment paper over the bottom half. Then tightly roll up the edges around the cod. Once the packet has been sealed, transfer to a baking tray. Repeat the same steps with the 3 remaining pieces of cod. Now, bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 14 to 16 minutes depending on the thickness of your fish, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And after about 14 minutes or so, your cut-in parchment paper will look like this. When you are ready to serve, transfer the fish and the vegetables onto a plate. I am serving the fish with a side of orzo. For my Parmesan orzo recipe, there is a link in the description box down below. And now you are ready to eat cod in parchment paper. There you guys have it, cod on papillote, or cod in parchment paper. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye!